YouTube? Nicholas Daniel with Flying Vulture Capital, and I'm going to continue my series where I trade to $1 million. Today was the biggest day trading day I've ever had, not just for Flying Vulture Capital, but since my entire life, at $7.1 thousand. Now I used a little bit different of a strategy because of the market conditions, and let's cut straight into the content and see what I did. So the biggest narrative of today was PPI inflation, which was producer inflation, which came in hot at 1.6%. I knew this was going to be bearish, but they kept the futures up, which seemed odd to me. I believe that this was market maker manipulation and that we had to see a pullback. So at market open, I sat and watched if we could get a potential pump. And when I didn't see it, I decided it was time to play on the downside, which I saw to be big for the day. Now, because my bearish sentiment was so strong and I wasn't expecting a minor move back, but a big one, I decided that I was going to revise my call credit spread and actually sell for extremely high deltas or in the money. Now, I stuck to my principle of only risking 10% of my account. You never want to put too much on the trade, but I also wanted a big gain for a potential large move. So what I did is I actually sold calls in the money, which were priced extremely high, taking a $4,000 risk for a $23,000 return. That's right, if I would have held on and won on the position, I would have made $23,000. The reason why you're able to do this is because in the money options have intrinsic value. The options contracts themselves, if exercised, have value to them. But do not do this strategy on American options, which are stock indexes, because if you do that, you could get early assignment and end up losing. You need to do it on index options such as the SPX or INDX, because these options can only be assigned at expiry, allowing for more aggressive plays in either direction. So you can see I set up the position, sit submit, and got filled almost immediately. I felt really good about this because the market was still trading flat. Now you can see here the market pulled back over the next 15 minutes and I made 7.1K. Now the reason why I took profit at 7,000 instead of risking it for potentially over 10,000 in gains is because I have one principle, and that is take profit whenever you see it. Right after that down move, we had another upswing, but it was sold off, so I could have potentially held on for more gains, but that volatility would have gotten in my head, and there was a chance I could have gotten shaken out and took a loss when I have a big win on paper. And I know I stress this a lot, but you need to remember this. Whenever you see good gains, take them. I have had way too many trades in my life where I've been up big, but I got greedy for a few $100 more, and then bam, market inverse comes, it takes away my gains. That's why I took profit at $7,000, which was my biggest winning day, and I smiled and went home to the bank. Well, that's going to be all my content for today. It was a bit shorter because I only took one trade, and if you enjoy this content, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it.